Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, 3 more New Year's resolutions to help make your thought leadership marketing content better than ever in 2021. I recently put together a video for you that talked about 4 New Year's resolutions to help make your thought leadership marketing content better than ever in 2021. Those 4 focused on you going deeper, not wider, in terms of having an ideal client and writing for an ideal client. Number 2, we talked about why you should be compiling a list of your clients' frequent concerns and questions, because that could lead to future blog posts, client alerts, etc. I told you that I thought you should subscribe to some of your peer law firms' email newsletters to get a sense of how they handle their thought leadership content program. And number 4, I told you to consider subscribing to email newsletters from other professional services providers that aren't lawyers to get some inspiration and see if they do anything innovative that you can adopt for your own thought leadership marketing program. So in this video, I have 3 more New Year's resolutions for you. I think that you'll find that they'll help you with your thought leadership marketing program and really focus on pointing that in the right direction and getting it on the right track. So the number 1 New Year's resolution in this video is to look at your distribution channels. It's one thing for you to create great thought leadership marketing content like client alerts and blog posts and bylined articles, but you have to make sure that it's actually getting to people and that they're consuming it. Now, obviously, your website, your blog, your social media accounts, your email newsletter, those are all great places for your thought leadership marketing content to live. But those distribution channels only reach the people who already subscribe to them, already know of you and your firm and your practice. You should be thinking about in 2021 and beyond how to expand your distribution channels to make sure you are reaching people who might not know about you already. But perhaps once they do know about you and learn about you, they'll subscribe to these distribution channels. So consider, for example, looking at industry trade publications, either legal industry trade publications or the industry trade publications that are where your clients are and their industries, and consider guest blog posts for other professional services firms, or perhaps even your non-attorney referral sources. If they have blog posts and they have opportunities for you to put your thought leadership content on their site or under their name on their distribution channels, that could be very helpful. So New Year's resolution number 1 is to look at your distribution channels. Number 2 is to dig deep and look at your data. Now, thought leadership marketing content, both the creation of it and the distribution of it, provides a bevy of data that you should be looking at to determine where to focus your and your firm's efforts. So for example, there is production-based data. Who at your law firm is producing frequent amounts of thought leadership marketing content? What are the practice groups at your firm that are doing so? And which practice groups and who are the lawyers who aren't doing a great job? You can use that data to perhaps light a fire underneath some practice groups and other lawyers to get them to produce more in 2021 and beyond. There is consumption data, such as who is opening up emails, who is clicking on links in emails, who is viewing or how many people are viewing videos that you're posting on YouTube, how many visits are you getting to your blog posts and to your client alerts. There is engagement data you should consider. Are people responding to certain blog posts or leaving comments for blog posts? Are they engaging with your social media posts? Are they liking them? Are they commenting on them? Are they sharing them? All of this data can be used to give you some direction. Consider this data to be like a compass, where it's giving you an idea of what kinds of content, maybe video versus blog, or what kinds of substantive focus areas are people migrating to, flocking to, and engaging with. And that could help you get a sense of where you might want to focus your efforts. So for example, if your videos typically do better than your blog posts, perhaps it's better to invest more time and money in the videos and go where you're strong as opposed to boosting up your blog posts. On the flip side, maybe some simple tools like just merely publicizing your recent blog posts can help you build engagement and consumption of that content. So again, look at your data to figure out where you need to go and what you can improve in 2021 and beyond. And finally, tip number 3, or New Year's resolution number 3, is to make writing a habit. A consistent and regular thought leadership marketing program is the only kind that's going to get you any gains. A sporadic once a year or once a quarter thought leadership program is not going to move the needle, because you're not producing enough content for people to actually take notice and begin to form a favorable, lasting impression of you based on that content. So consider making writing a habit in 2021 and beyond. I'll link in the description here to an article from the late, I think 2009, 2010 that said that on average, it takes between 18 and 254 days for someone to develop a habit. I'm not suggesting that you write for 18 to 254 days daily with your thought leadership marketing content in order to build that habit. I'm suggesting you should be considering building a monthly habit or a quarterly habit where you're producing content on a consistent basis that, again, will help get people to understand the kind of content you produce is of high quality. It'll help boost awareness of you, your law firm, and your legal practice, and obviously, hopefully in the end, attempt to translate into building your book of business and your practice by bringing in more clients based on that thought leadership marketing content. So again, 3 more resolutions for the new year to add to the 4 before regarding making your thought leadership marketing program better than ever in 2021 and beyond. If you have any questions about thought leadership marketing content or are interested in learning more about how to make better and more effective content, please visit lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We've got plenty of blog posts and videos I think you'll find useful in helping boost your thought leadership marketing efforts. And until next time, thanks for watching.